All right. Hey, everybody, we're going to go over this table. I bet this was a little confusing for everyone. It was supposed to be. Hopefully, you were Googling things about expanded form, exponential form, trying to make sense as best you can, going back to the anchor chart. This would be a good example where you don't want to grab anybody to help you. You want to try to figure it out on your own and see what you can do. We're going to start by just these two tables only since we don't have a lot of time. This lesson took us a little bit longer in class, so I imagine it's taking you longer too. The standard form for 4,924. Three thumbs up if that's what you had. Okay. For this one, 61. Now, we had a lot of people asking what expanded form was. So there was an example right there, hopefully to remind you, because expanded form would have been introduced a couple of years ago. I know we did it last year as well. So hopefully you were able to look that up on your own, or you can look at it right now. For this one, can someone say this number for me so I can write it out? Go ahead, Torian. I thought your hand was up. Okay, Taizine? 25,200. And I'm going to right click because this was red underline. Must have spelled that wrong. I did mean 1,000. Thank you for knowing that. I'm going to highlight, change that font, use my spacing to make it on the inside. There we are. Now for expanded form. Can someone tell me what the expanded form is for number 1? Anyone new? Jade, let's start with you. If we're looking at 400,000, 437,502. What's our first large value there? In that large place value. There we go. Now you got it. So for this one, 400,000. And then a plus sign. Now what? Now what? What's the value of the 10,000? Jade? What number is in the 10,000? 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 0 tens. You don't have to write that. I don't write that, but you can. Plus 2. And we're going to pause and let your classmates finish the other two. Okay, we're going to come back here, and just a refresher for expanded form. We've got a 4 in the thousands place, so 4,000 plus. We have a 9 in the hundreds place, so what would it be if the 9's in the hundreds place? If the 9 is in the hundreds place, what would our next number be? Not sure? We're going to pause it. Yep, there you go. You got it. Plus 900. Let's see if that writes. Okay. And then we've got a 2 in the tens place, so that's going to be plus KJ. Oh, 20. Torian got it. Plus what? 4. All right. And now coming down to the million, we have to start with our largest place value. What's the value of that 1? Shout it out. 1 million. Thank you. So I'm going to write 1 million plus, what's the value of that 4? 400,000. Yeah, because it's in the 100,000s place. What's the value of the 2? What place value is the 2 in, Jade? So then the value of the 2, 20,000. See if I can get that right. There we go. The value of the 5 is in the place value 1,000, so it's 5,000. The value of the 2, it's in the hundreds place, so it's 200. And then do we have to keep adding 0, or can we just stop? Yeah, you got it, where you can just stop. So here's the expanded form. This is where we're going to stop today. There is no exit ticket for today because we went a little long in here. We want you guys to stay with us. So as long as this is filled in, we will come back here, but you will have a question. Which one of these, and I'm going to put a poll at the bottom of the screen that you have to fill out today, which one of these do you think will help us write an exponential form more? You think the standard form, word form, or expanded form will help us with exponential form? Let us know at the bottom. Don't worry about your exit ticket today. Thank you for being with us.